All right, today I'm keeping it super simple, but still 100% delicious. I'm using 5 store-bought ingredients to make a stuffed crust pizza. I'm going to be using some dough, a plant-based pepperoni, some vegan cheese, pizza sauce, and garlic hummus. And yes, you heard that last one right, garlic hummus. The crust is going to be absolutely delicious. It's going to be crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and loaded with flavor. And the best part of all, it's going to be dairy-free. Okay, so first things first, I have my pizza dough. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil to it rather than flour because I'm cooking it on the cast iron. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and start stretching this dough out. So at this stage, I'm kind of doing it like I would the deep dish pizza, so that way I can keep extra dough for the crust, because I'm going to need to fold that over. Now I'm making the stuffed crust. So I'm going to take some garlic hummus and put it around the edge of the pizza dough. Now I'm going to put some vegan cheese right next to it. And fold it over. All right, just about like so. Okay, so we have this in place, right? So we have the stuffed crust in, and now we're just gonna start adding in our delicious flavoring. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic hummus down on the bottom of this pizza crust. It's just gonna elevate some delicious garlic flavoring. And now time for the pizza sauce. Some vegan cheese. And now some pepperoni. I'm gonna drizzle a little oil on the top. Just gonna sprinkle a little cheese over the top of that. And into the oven we go. So when it comes to the cooking process, it's really just gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna cook it at about 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then what I'll do is I'll actually increase the temperature to 400 degrees and cook for about another 10 more minutes. Initially, I wanna make sure that the dough is fully cooked, and then I wanna bring in some browning to the pizza. And there we are. There is the stuffed crust pizza. So I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to take it out, put it on a cutting board, and cut into this and see what we're looking at. Hi. Alright, so there we are. The stuffed crust pizza is done. It looks absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna try it out. So first, some of the stuffed crust itself. That is delicious. It is super soft and moist on the inside. It's creamy from the garlic hummus and the cheese. And the crust has some crunch to it. So that's absolutely fantastic. Exactly what I said I was gonna do. That's delicious. Cheese, dough, pepperoni, and then just some added hummus in there for some extra flair. It's fantastic. So there you go. You can go to the nearby grocery store, you can get these 5 ingredients, and you can enjoy yourself a delicious stuffed crust pizza right in the comfort of your own home. This is awesome. It came out great. It tastes great. Super easy to make. And it's a lot cheaper than buying some of those, brand pizzas from those fast food places. And it's healthier. Well, I'm gonna make some more recipes because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.